We believe that you possess the skills and expertise necessary to excel in this role, and we would be thrilled to have you on board. Here are a few reasons why you should join our team as an affiliate marketer. First, we offer lucrative compensation. As an affiliate, you will enjoy generous commissions on every sale you generate. Second, we offer high-quality products. Bees World and FDI Group is known for its premium health and wellness products. Third, we give you extensive support and training. We provide comprehensive training and ongoing support to all our affiliates. Our experienced team will guide you through the process, equipping you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Fourth, flexibility and independence. As an affiliate, you have the freedom to work from anywhere and at your own pace. You can build your business around your schedule, allowing for a perfect work-life balance. And last is global reach. Bees World and FDI operates in multiple countries, providing you with a vast potential customer base. This global reach opens up endless opportunities for growth and success. Join our team now.